Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. This video is for explaining some cool and important keyboard shortcuts for your Windows PC. Windows key plus D or Windows key plus M. If you want your PC or laptop's windows to quickly minimize, it minimizes all open windows immediately. Pressing the Windows key with the D or M acts the same way. Windows key plus letter E. Pressing these two buttons on your keyboard together opens My Computer. Windows key plus T. When the Windows key is pressed along with the letter T key on your keyboard, you can directly switch focus to the taskbar at the bottom left corner. This way, you can move right, left, up, and down using your arrow keys to switch between different programs that are running. Control key plus Shift key plus Escape key. If your PC ever starts hanging or any application is not running smoothly, then what do? No shortcuts, just open the Task Manager and try to kill the process. Windows key plus up arrow key and down arrow key. If you ever feel too lazy to maximize the current window you are working on, or minimize it, then these two keys will be good friends of yours. Control plus Alt plus up or down or left or right arrow. This won't work on every machine, as it depends on your graphics card and video drivers. Alt plus tab. This shortcut will help to switch between apps. Shift plus delete and enter. This we delete files permanently.